All right. Let's go ahead and here we go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and cover our watch list for today. We have a couple things gapping up. PHUN, also another very good stock that I really like to trade. I traded this back when it was absolutely ripping. It opened up at $7.50, ran all the way up to $24. So PHUN is one that I'm going to keep on watching. It is a high float at 88 million, so it's going to take a lot of buying pressure, a lot of people to jump in, and I just don't see partnership with Campaign Nucleus. So they have a partnership that's pretty good. They have a high float. Again, we're going to see a lot of traders absolutely jump in on this play if it starts to get some action. It popped up and absolutely halted probably 5 or 6 times, going from $7.50 all the way up to $24. So PHUN is definitely one that I'm going to keep on watching. Let's go ahead and clear this drawing set so we can actually get a better idea of what's actually going to happen. Again, we have this previous low, pull back into this area. Again, we got rejected off that break over 113. I could see this coming up all the way up to 340 potentially for PHUN. Now they do have news, so I could definitely see that happening. Break over 340, we're coming up to $4. Not much. $4.05 natural support and resistance, and then if we go ahead and actually find a nice yeah, so I mean, really break over $5, we've room up to 6. We do have a gap to fill at around 726. That's going to be a that's going to be a key level to fill if we can actually get the hype and get the action. It looks like we are getting this. We had a really nice pop for PHU, and I think this is my top stock to watch. I really like this play. I really like this stock. So we have ANGH. We IPO'd yesterday, it looks like. Gap down, closed at $12, ran up to 25, and now it's pulling back. Recent listing on the NASDAQ. So this is just going to be, there's no really news, but we'll see if traders start to jump in onto it. Then we have Peloton, or PTON. We are gapping up slightly. It's on Benzinga's top 5 stocks to watch. Here's how much it might be worth. Soaring as takeover reports heat up. Peloton shares are trading higher following a report from the Wall Street Journal suggesting the company has drawn interest from potential suitors, including Amazon.com, about a potential acquisition. So Amazon's looking at a potential acquisition. I do like Peloton. I mean, I don't think Peloton's going to be I personally don't want to hold it long term. Personally, just don't want to wait. I'm not a huge fan of just Peloton because I think people are going to be tired of staying indoors and they're going to want to work out outside. Yo, what's up, Devin? Thank you for the likes. I'm streaming on this. Whenever I stream on this account, I get fucking no views, which is unfortunate. But that's how it was on my other account for a while. So you just gotta get through it until TikTok starts pushing you to algorithm. Peloton, again, we're kind of forming a wedge pattern, pennant almost. Breakout to the upside. Where can we go? We have some support down at 30. Whoa. Break above. I mean, we really have room back up to around 38 to $40. Break that 43 and then 45. Really, if Peloton breaks below $30, I'm not going to touch it. PHUN, obviously, that's one that we're going to keep on watch. That's what I really like. We do have some, I wouldn't say RSI divergence, but we are getting increasing volume on a lower spread. So we'll see if this can actually hold here. ICCM, fucking terrible. ICCM, we're at 1.2 thousand likes. There we go, guys. Today's a slow day in the market. The markets have just been like shitty over the past fucking month or two, 2 months, 3 months. Thank you, thank you. All right, all right. Good morning, Yasmin. How are you doing today? Markets do not look too great. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. Right now, I mean, I'm watching, we have PHU and I am watching previous hype. Ran from $7 all the way up to 24. And yeah, so I think if this starts to rip, because they had a partnership. So if this does start to run, starts to hit the scanners, I do think we're going to see traders start to jump into PHUN. I'm going to be looking for a nice dip buy, possibly. I mean, this is moving like not as fast as it used to be. Frontier and Spirit to merge, creating 5th largest airline in the U.S. $6.6 billion deal. Wow. What stock is that? Do they have a stock? What's a ticker? Because I don't think it's on our scanners, but that would be a very, very good news and very, very good thing to trade. Eight people, how you guys doing? Let me know what stocks you guys are watching today. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for the likes. I mean, I really don't see anything with PHUN. At the moment, yes, it is gapping up. Yes, we are going to keep it on watch, but I don't see any potential trade at the moment. We don't have any trades. Right now, we're just going to be sitting on our hands, waiting for the right opportunity. And ICCM is terrible. This price action is absolutely dog shit. And just the daily as well. Not going to look to take this. I mean, we are, yeah, just very, very choppy. I'm going to delete this off my watch list, ICCM, just because the daily is very choppy. I'm not looking to trade it. It's just not looking good. So, again, I think my top stock to watch is PHUN. Could make a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern. We have the first shoulder. Here, let me bring it over to you. So you can see we have the shoulder, head, and then another shoulder potentially forming. We have very high volume on this doji candle. I do not like that. I think we could continue to pull back. Are you a frac hand? I'm confused. I don't know what you mean by that. Invite, I'm not too sure, but we're trading equities right now. I don't really trade crypto. I invest in crypto, but we have SAVE gapping up. Spirit Airlines gapping up on good news. $6.6 billion deal. That's good. It does look like, let's go ahead and check the float. So around 105, 107 million in float. That's pretty large. So it's going to take a lot to move it. We did break above that previous high and pulled back. I'm not a fan of that. That does look bearish to me. For the Spirit Airlines, what we could do is actually wait for a retest of maybe 23, possibly 24. Hold 24. 24, we have a lot of touches. We can actually see it and continue higher. At 24.8, that's when we got rejected. Break over that. I mean, I could see it's going all the way up to 26. We do have a gap to fill up at 27, though. So anything can happen with SA. Hi, Stella. Anything can happen. And I'm gonna keep it on the back burner. Keep it on the back burner. Keep it on watch. What's your favorite crypto project? Oh, XRP to the moon. Oh, of course XRP. What are you talking about? I got a big bag of XRP. No, I'm being sarcastic. That's hard to say. I have a lot of good crypto projects that I like. It's hard to say. I would say either VXV, MTV, QNT. Yeah, I would say one of those three. Probably VXV, I would say, is probably my favorite. XLM, that's fair. Except I don't like buying cryptocurrencies that are competing with the US dollar. I'm super bullish on XLM, yeah. So the XLM is just like in XRP. They're both competing with the US dollar, and I don't want to compete against the US dollar. I'm not trying to. That's not my niche, because the government, will not give up power. US needs a replacement. They do need a replacement. They do indeed. Now, is XRP or XLM going to be the replacement? You never know. Or Shiba Inu. Fuck it. What's Shib been doing? Oh, we had a spike up around 40%. Ooh. Shiba Inu. You guys bought Shiba Inu. Congratulations for the nice bounce. But I would not be holding this long term. Coming into some resistance here. Light volume might slight pullback down to the 20 EMA. Break above this. We're coming up another... We're going to come up another 15 to 40%. Sushi's a good project. Yeah, I think Sushi's a good project. That's just the DEX. There's going to be a lot of DEXs. And again, it's hard to find out which DEX is going to be... There needs to be a DEX that is able to have the exchange across all of the ecosystems, across Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Cardano, Multivac. So what is a DEX is a decentralized exchange like Sushi Swap or Pancake Swap, but those are on the Ethereum network. So then you have Binance Smart Chain, you have DEXs on the Binance Smart Chain, and you can do that with both. I mean, all ecosystems or chains will have a DEX or a decentralized exchange. Right now, guys, nothing is popping off. We are very, very... It's slow. It is slow. We're not going to jump into anything. I'm really probably just going to focus on halt strategies. Like, I'm not right now. The markets just don't look good. I hold Telecoin as well. Super bullish on Telecoin. What are your thoughts? No idea, but let's do a 10-second review on Telecoin. I think that's right. Oh, Telcoin. Sorry, not Telecoin. All right. Send money smarter. I like their website. Telecoin app. What's their ticker? What is their ticker? Oh, I found it. On KuCoin. Okay. Well, let's go and check coin market cap as well. I bet this is going to be the make or break right here. If we see the tokenomics. Telcoin. TEL. Market cap is okay. That's pretty high. That's really high. That's at 0.4 billion. KuCoin. $442 million in market cap. So that's more than I thought. 59 billion in supply, which is a lot. 100 billion in total supply. Oh, we hit a high of 6 cents and now it's back down. Yeah, I'm not really it's a Polygon ecosystem. So I think I'm really not too sure about it. I don't know what they do or what's going on. Just send money more smarter. I mean, I guess they're just like a Venmo or something, but of the crypto. So I do think, I haven't really done my research on it, but I do think it could be a nice potential buy. Market cap too high. Yeah, I mean, if you're trying to make easy money, yeah, market cap is really high. Just doubled my bag. You did. Ooh, great buy right now. I do think it's a great buy. But I mean, right now it's a great buy. I don't know anything about the company, so if you do, then yeah. Average is $0.015. Ugh. Gotta get that under a penny. I mean, hit a max of $6, or 6 cents, excuse me. We'll see if it continues to move. I mean, I'm personally bullish on a lot of different, a good amount of companies, a good amount of tickers. Guys, still right now, nothing is popping up on the scanners. We are just fucking sitting on our hands waiting for the right opportunity, but the opportunity has not come yet. So, and trading's really boring. You hopped in trading thinking that it's going to be fun. You're over trading. Yeah, I like to hold my bag. And we have Solana starting to pop. What is it? MT? Oh! MTV is at 9. Let's see. I'm up 36%, which is nice. 36% on there. Oh, why am I tilted? LTC to the moon. Yeah, guys, I mean, multivac, I have up 36%, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, they're popping off. That would have been a great buy. I thought it was going to come lower. Didn't come lower, broke the downtrend. I guess I'm going to have to buy when it comes back and retests because I wanted to buy more. And actually, MTV is actually just about to cross a penny. We're going to come into a lot of resistance here coming into the penny mark. People are going to be selling. People are going to be looking to actually get out of here. So this is definitely one. If we get rejected, pull back, I might have to put everything back into it because I might have to put more. I mean, MTV is definitely one that I'm watching. I mean, with a high of 3 cents, this could, and the market cap is so low that you could probably make a good amount of money. Austin, how you doing, my man? Thank you for stopping in. I'm doing good. Markets are slow. Markets are slow right now, so we're just kind of going over crypto. We have, again, PHU win, looking for an acquisition. Nothing crazy. Breaking out of this trend line, we have ANGH. It's a new ANGH is a new IPO, so they just IPO'd yesterday. Peloton in a wedge pattern, just waiting, sitting on my hands. I'm waiting for a nice halt strategy, just because I'm not a huge fan of anything. And I did actually not take this stop. I didn't take this trade because of this really high volume doji candle. There's a lot of selling pressure, and we can see that selling pressure starting to come in now after we actually crack this. We could just come back and retest, but it does look like we're getting into this area with a lot of selling pressure, a lot of a supply zone. And we have SAVE with a $6.6 billion deal. So, yeah, right now just waiting for a good opportunity, not really seeing anything. So we're just kind of hopping over to crypto, looking at just my watch list. LTC to the moon. Oh, yeah. Mark LTC to the moon. MTV. Getting some volume, but I want to see a nice bigger pullback here. Let's go and look at the weekly here. Very, very volatile. Very, very volatile. Very high volume on this candle. I want to see this. I do think we're going to see MTV back down to 004. I think we're going to see it back down to 004. I mean, potentially in just somewhere in these areas. I think we're going to crack this. I'm going to go ahead and delete these trend lines, though, because these aren't... Whoops. I accidentally deleted my moving average. But just really going to keep support and resistance. I do think we're going to come down much more. Nice broke above the high, pulled back. Could be a nice consolidation before actually ripping. Where's my guess? It's going to take a nice Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high. Hold back. Now we're kind of holding this level. I'm going to go ahead and move it here. At 78.6, if we use a fib extension coming into a new, it's going to bring us around 4 cents. That would be ideal if we can. That would be awesome if we could do that, but I do want to see us pull back just a little bit more. Maybe a nice double bottom, higher low, and then ideally scoop up another $200-300, maybe possibly more on the dip. Then average in if it continues lower. So LTC to the moon. I mean, we're just kind of chilling, waiting for the right opportunity. Peloton. I don't even know how to say it. Looks like we could be starting to let's see if we can bounce here. Oh, yep, there it is. PHUN, guys. That's why I didn't take it, because we absolutely got dumped on. Absolutely dumped on. Let me go ahead and adjust. You think we're in a bear market? Yes, I do think we're in a bear market. I do, indeed. But I'm going to continue to buy. Continue to buy. Again, PHUN, dumped hard. ANGH. Again, guys, right now I'm not liking anything. Nothing. Man, this thing absolutely ripped up out of the gate. And then dumped. Can we see the same thing? You never know. You never know. So let's maybe see a nice washout long, maybe a nice one and done strategy. One and done. Good morning. Good morning. I'm not too sure. We have ANGH. I don't know what the float. Let's go and see a float checker. ANGH, 6.5 million TD Ameritrade, and then nothing else. So I'm going to take that 6.5 million. And I mean, the float is, it seems like we got a lot of momentum there with not a lot of volume. So I do think if ANGH starts to pop off, we could see it possibly move. The volume's higher than yesterday already, which is good. Volume is already higher than yesterday. Let's see if we can get a nice washout long potentially. We have room down to 16.23. Maybe catch a nice bounce, $2 bounce, that'd be ideal. This could move really fast. We're getting a lot of volume in this candle, possibly coming lower. I'm going to be looking for a nice washout long with a nice pop back up to 18. And we'll see if that can happen. When do you think the next bear market with the market cap, the RL will be down 40-50%? How much is the market cap down? I don't think we're going to be the next cycle. 24. I think we're going to get away from cycles because Bitcoin is not going to dominate the market much. Yes, it dominates the market right now, but Bitcoin is not a good coin. Yeah, it's a store of value, but the proof of work is not good. We're going to go to proof of stake. I don't think we're going to see these bear markets, bull markets, bear markets, bull markets. I think we're going to see the crypto market start to develop like the stock market. We're going to have these dips, and then we're going to continue to rise, continue to move up, just like the internet did. Like, the amount of the use case and the amount of scalability with cryptocurrency is really, really high, and I don't see us really starting to have these cycles as much. Cycles are going to start to dissipate and go away, and then it's going to matter about, I'm more bearish, I'm going to pull back, I'm more bearish right now. So I do think the market's going to pull back because of these things happening in the world, not so much what Bitcoin does or what the halving does or how, like, it's just, I think we're going to see it, these traditional bear markets and these traditional bull markets going to change. Let's go and look at the total market cap. The market cap is already down 35% and hit a low down 50%. I think that's excluding Bitcoin. The total, nope, that's the total market cap. In the total market cap excluding Bitcoin right now is down 30% and hit a max of 44% or 48%. So yeah, we are down. Thoughts on check FDA okay to start Prevail Trident for cancer screening? Okay, that's good. That's good. We have 3 minutes. Let's go and watch this. We have check. Oh yeah, we're at 60 cents, popped up to 72, and then pulled back. We're chilling now. We're up 10%. I mean, kind of stagnant right now. Not really liking it. We have some support at 65. Maybe a nice pop up to 70. Break over 72. We're coming up to 80. Not much resistance until 80. And if we do break below 65, I wouldn't be looking to touch it. If you do decide to get a washout long, maybe off these EMAs, you're going to be selling into this close and into this area at 70 and 72. They have ANGH. This is one that I'm watching. I want to see a nice dip to like 1650 ideally. A nice dip to 1650 with a nice pop. We can see yesterday what happened is we dipped, pulled back. We were ripping, we dipped to 15 and then pulled back 10% or so. So I'm going to be looking for the same thing to happen. And if we can get that to happen, I'd be a happy man. I'd be a happy man. Good shit. I like your stuff. Thank you. Thank you. Drew makes sense. Can't lose unless you sell your bag. You're right. Can't lose unless you sell your bag. Buy more. Hodl. Hold. All right, guys, we have 1 minute and 14 seconds until the market opens. Let's see if we can get a nice dip down to 16.20, rip back up to 18. Boom, sell. And my dog is freaking out right now. I don't know. What do you want? All right, go lay down. I gotta work. The market's about to open. All right, guys, we have 40 seconds left. Want to see a nice washout. 16.50. All right, so we have this low. Break over 20, break under 25 or 16.25. I'll probably cut it. So I really want to risk less than 30 bucks. So I can't buy it above 55. So it has to come down into this zone. Has to come down into the zone for me to actually so let's see if we can get all right, we're live. I have my order in, ready to cancel it if we don't come down. Oh man. Nice. Come on, come down more. I missed it. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it. Missed the panic pop. It didn't work. It wasn't explosive as I thought it would be. What about Peloton? Peloton, nice dip, but I'm not quick enough to put in an order. PHU in, dumping, maybe a nice potential dip buy. Not a fan of it though. SAVE. Dumping, not moving as much. I think ANGH is our top stock. I mean, not really. We don't really have a top stock. It's fucking. Man, the volume is terrible. We have speed. What's going on with speed? Or seed, excuse me. 300% revenue growth. So we're going to keep this on watch. We also have ICCM. Oh, we have AREB. Halted? Oh. American Rebel prices 10.5 million public offering from 3 cents to $3.35. Wow. Don't know if what is going on there or what. We're at a new all-time high. Very, very choppy. Not really liking it. Top stock ANGH. Oh man, there was a very, very beautiful washout long strategy from ANGH. Wasn't able to capitalize on it though. So let's see if we wasn't able to capitalize on it, which is unfortunate. Man. Looks like we're about to break again and continue higher. Looks like we're stacking. We might get halted here. Yeah, we're halted. Guys, wasn't able to capitalize on it. What am I doing? It hits my area too. It got into my area, but I didn't capitalize on it. No. It came in down into my zone. I had this perfect zone. Did not get full. Did not get filled. And it absolutely rips. Now, what does that tell you? I was going to get 100 shares. That would have been $2.3 per share at $100. $1,600. $1,600 I would have spent. Would have been up 230. 240. I had the zone planned out. I said 1655, but I did not take it. I got scared. I got emotional. But that I had my stops perfectly in place. That I was risking. I was risking less than 2%. My profit targets were 8% away. So that's a 4-to-1, more than a 4-to-1%. You take that, then your next target's VWAP. Boom. There's 6-to-1. Guys, there's so much. I missed it. I missed the opportunity. I'm debating about not even taking this halt strategy. We got halted up to the upside and then dumped hard. Well, we can see that we opened up and then pulled back. I mean, we opened up and then immediately just... It's unfortunate that I wasn't able to capitalize on it, even though I did have that plan in place. What's NSSC doing? Oh, fuck NSSC doing. I think we're going to keep ANGH on watch, guys. This is unfortunate. If I would have just held it and not been a pussy, I guess. Oh, man, you live and you learn. You live and you learn. I had everything. This trade was good. Nice washout long. New IPO. Gapping up. A nice support level. We have 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch coming into a zone, risking less than 2% on the trade. And then a nice miss. I had my limit order in too. That's the killer. Had my limit order in at 650, 651, 650, something in that area. So that's unfortunate. We have bids at 1537. Let's see if they get halted and gaps up. But I'm not too sure. We have Peloton. Gapping lower. Coming back retesting. What's DWAC? DWAC is ripping. We have ANGH. ANGH is going to be live here at 9:37:58. So we have around 50 seconds left. We have some overhead resistance at 20, 21.30, 23, and then 25.90. So we are going to be live here at 58. So let's see. 20 seconds left. Looking for a nice gap up. 8 seconds. Should be live. We're not. We're not live. Looks like it's going to be a 10-minute halt. Yep, looks like it's going to be a 10-minute halt. Too bad I wasn't able to capitalize on it. What else? What else we got? Again, we have nothing else. I mean, besides, yeah, we're not watching anything. I mean, ANGH, I was looking for a nice washout long. It's taking it, but it didn't work. We have asks at 100. What? We have an ask at 100. I don't know if that's what's going on there. But yes, asks at 100. In AVB in CTRM. Oh, excuse me. Not really seeing anything. Just sitting on our hands. Don't like DWAC with the upper wick. We're gonna be live at 42:58. So we have around a minute and a half. All right, guys, we're gonna be live here at 57, 58, and we are around 30 seconds left. I want to see gap up over 19 around 1920 to 1930. Man, I wanted to short it. Guys, that would have been a fucking banger trade. Got in at like 1650, sold. Oh, man. But wasn't able to. It's unfortunate. That was the trade of the day. Halted to the downside. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call the live stream because it is not, the markets aren't doing much. Markets aren't doing much. I missed the trade. I missed this ANGH trade, and I think I'm going to be done trading because I don't want to overtrade. Because I don't want to revenge trade because I did miss this. I had a nice, everything was perfect. I had a nice box. I can't buy above 1655 and 1655, and I had my limit order placed at 1650. Comes down. I removed my limit order. Don't know why. Got scared out. Then it does a nice $5 move. I was going to buy 100 shares. Unfortunate. So I'm going to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you do want technical analysis videos or these live streams every day, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.